This simple egg bites or egg muffin recipe has become a must-have in my meal prep nowadays, so I just had to share my recipe with you. It is yummy, delicious, and really bouncy. The ingredients I used are all going to be listed on the screen and in the description box. You can either choose to half the recipe or double the recipe. I crack the eggs into the blender directly because it's convenient, and every other ingredient I'm going to use will also go into the blender. After cracking all the eggs, I go in with the cottage cheese, some chopped habanero pepper, and the rest of the seasoning I'll be using. Then I blend until everything is completely mixed and it is foamy. After blending, I'll grab my cupcake pan and spray with some canola oil. You can use any kind of cooking oil you have. Make sure you spray all the edges so the egg muffins don't stick when they are baked. Pour your egg mixture into the pan about halfway through. Please don't fill up the pan because the egg could spill over as it's rising in the oven. And you also want to leave some room for it to rise and bake nicely when it's done. This recipe makes about 21 egg muffins, so I'll be splitting it into 2 when I start adding the toppings. In the first batch, I'll be adding some beef sausage. These are cooked already. I just chopped them into tiny pieces and now adding them to the egg bites. In the other 6, I'll be adding some yellow, orange, and red bell peppers. The beautiful thing about this egg bites is you can meal prep it ahead of time. This would last for over a week. In the last batch, I'll be adding some shredded sharp cheddar cheese because I really love it. But listen, with this recipe, you can make it your own. You can add whatever toppings you want. You can add anything you have that you know you can tolerate and you enjoy when you heat it up the next time you want to use it in the microwave. Just, make it your own. All done. This is going to bake at 325 for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean when you dip it in. Please let me know if you give this a try. Happy Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!